Morning guys, Gary with VW Jawbreaker. Hey everybody, what are we doing on the gas station on the side of the road? We're going to Dub Dash, guys. Dub Dash! If you don't know what Dub Dash is, follow us and we'll show you. Alright guys, we're here at the Daytona Auto Mall. Got a bunch of Volkswagens. Look at this. Volkswagens everywhere. They got the 12 Up Volkswagen Group, which is of course 2012 and up. They're sponsoring this event, and what we're doing is we're here in Daytona. We're driving all the way up towards St Augustine to have lunch. It's the whole purpose of today, to hang out and relax. Sorry, try not to move you too much. But as you can see, we got some rain, so hey, it ain't stopping us. We're gonna have some fun. So follow us and let's hit the road. Got quite a few good cars here today. Buses. You know what? We're missing a Gia and a Thing. That's the only two things we don't have here today. Two things. Got some more 12 ups. A couple more over here. It's gonna be a great day, guys.
LPGA. So we're gonna cycle back down and around. We're gonna go across LPGA. And we're going to show the hot rod guys over there at Cars and Coffee how VW does it, and we're going to make an appearance as we drive around Cars and Coffee. We're not going to stop, but we're going to make an appearance. And then we're going to head on out to the Halafax Marina. We're going to go all the way out to the park in the back. We're going to have a photographer there. We're going to be selling raffle tickets at lunch. We have a ton of stuff to raffle this year, and all of the proceeds will support the Halafax Humane Society, which is right around the corner.
We're on our way to Halafax Harbor Marina in Daytona Beach for a photo op. So we got a long line of cars in front of us and quite a few behind us. Hold on, let's see if I can get Jim in the rear view mirror. No, that's me. It's not working. Dang it. All right, we'll see you there. here we go. We made it! Lunchtime! Ooh, ha, 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 ha. Give me food. Look at this place. You ain't seen nothing yet, guys. Well, guys, welcome to Captain's Barbecue. We made it. Got a large group of us. Lost count how many. But it was 90 miles so far just to grab lunch.
Well worth it. This
Well worth
90.
every
That's what y'all
mile. 90 miles, brother. So, let's get inside. Need some food, huh?
What we got for our rental, because he's like, I got to bring that on.
Look at that.
What's happening? What's up?
Ooh.
Sold my house and said I'm done.
Oh yeah, yummy stuff. All right here on the water.
What it was, I was like, oh no, ain't no way I can eat that.
Look at that.
And tag fields.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
Brisket, burger, bacon.
Lettuce,
that.
tomato, my little brisket sandwich.
Look at all this good stuff. What do you think, guys? Was the drive worth the food? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. So now we're headed home. So until the next time, be good.